And speaking of the governor, a local defense attorney says he contacted her last year about possibly becoming the new Travis County District Attorney.
Perry would have appointed a replacement had Rosemary Lehmberg stepped down, but she did not, and that led to the veto that Perry claims is ultimately why he was indicted. KXAN's Chris Sadeghi shows us who the governor may have been eyeing as a replacement DA and what it could mean for the case against him.
Former DA candidate and district judge candidate Mindy Montford said Rick Perry contacted her last year to gauge her interest in being the next DA in Travis County. When Texans for Public Justice filed the complaint into Perry last year, they had no idea Perry's conversation with Montford took place.
Not at all. This is a new revelation.
And a revelation Craig McDonald feels is telling. When Montford has run for office, she's done so as a Democrat. There are other connections to Perry.
So rather than partisan political tags, I think she can more accurately be labeled a Rick Perry friend.
Perry supported Montford's father, John, to become UT chancellor and appointed his wife, Deborah, to the Texas Tech Board of Regents. Last year, KXAN talked to Brian McCall, who wrote the book The Power of the Texas Governor. He said governors can have influence on their appointees.
The governor can say to those appointees, look, I would like you to consider X instead of Y.
And because of that, McDonald feels that a conversation by Perry and Montford could indicate motivation.
It changes the Perry's team's spin that this is about drunk driving and trying to get a drunk driver out. It shows that he was really trying to take over the district attorney's office.
An office that never became available. In downtown Austin, Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.
Mindy Montford has not commented any further about her conversation with the governor. We did not hear back from Perry's attorneys after contacting them today.
And we wanted to give you some background on Mindy Montford. She's practiced law for more than 15 years. Montford has served as both a criminal prosecutor and a defense attorney in Travis County. She's also appeared on KXAN as a legal analyst for the last 4 years. Montford started her own practice in 2008. That same year, she ran for Travis County District Attorney. Montford was up against 3 other Democratic candidates, including Rosemary Lehmberg. Longtime District Attorney Ronnie Earl ultimately endorsed Lehmberg instead of Montford.
I feel like I have a duty to tell the public what I think would be the best for the community of Austin and Travis County, and that would be to elect Rosemary Lehmberg